Welcome back to Puerto Rico Life. This is Jeff Holtz, and I am in Aguadilla. So, I'm going to show you a little bit around Aguadilla today. It's a place I've never done a video about, and I'm excited to see what we find. So, my first impression of Aguadilla is that it's beautiful. Lots of one-way streets, lots of really cool areas. So, we'll let you know what we see. It's really quite nice here, and we got the ocean right over there. There's a long boardwalk down the ocean, which it's kind of late now, so I'm gonna head this way, and we're gonna see the boardwalk in the morning. Beautiful. See the ocean over there. So that was really cool. I haven't seen people playing dominoes on a street corner in Puerto Rico very often. I know that it's a thing that happens, but you're in the real world when you see stuff like that. So that was pretty cool. A bunch of guys just sitting outside playing dominoes. One of the things I really love about being in Puerto Rico is that almost every town has a main plaza or square, and usually they're quite beautiful. One of the sad parts is a lot of them are they feel kind of like they're dead or dying, but we'll see what this one looks like because we're coming up on it now, and I think it's going to be a really beautiful area. I don't know anything about that, but it looks like you have a museum of natural history for Aguadilla, so that's right here, right over there actually. Okay, we're approaching what I believe to be the main square or the plaza. Let's see what we find up here. One of the things I always love about Puerto Rico is the colors. The buildings are always beautiful. Yes, this is definitely the plaza. We have a centrally located church is almost always the feature of one of the plazas. So that's that right there. Looks like some more people playing dominoes over there. Oh, look at this. This is gonna be beautiful. So we've got sunset view over the ocean over there. Okay. Ooh, and a Times Square style light up billboard. I've never seen one of those outside of San Juan in Puerto Rico. I like this. Look at that. What a beautiful mural of the Taino people. And then down here, we've got this beautiful, look at that. How beautiful is that? Swinging around this way, we've got a nice little, I don't know what it is, but a little walk through sort of pedestrian mall kind of place. We got music playing above us from that billboard. Look at that, beautiful. Of course, there's the one with this is the other side of the building with the Taino scene on it, and you've got what appears to be a toucan, maybe? I'm not really sure. Beautiful though. Such a beautiful downtown area. We still have a little bit of light here, so let's kind of give you the surrounding. We've got a lot of cloud cover today, so we don't have the beautiful sunset that you would normally expect here, which would be right there. There's, I don't know if you can see it or not, but that's there's an island out there. That's Desacheo Island, I believe. Let's see if we can zoom in on that a little bit. There it is. Beautiful place to watch us. So I think we're gonna continue on down this way, and I hear some music playing, so we'll find a, look at that, isn't that beautiful? Some kind of bar or restaurant down here by the beach. There's a little cove-like beach. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's right down there. Just do a little zoom in on that because I think we might lose the light before I get there. I love this view. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I'll make sure you're in the video, I promise. No, you're good. You know what I mean? Hey, Jeff, how are you?
Jeff, I'm good, Jeff.
Hey, Jeff. I met a Jeff in Aguadilla.
Aguadilla.
Yeah, you guys liking it here in Puerto Rico?
Yes, love it.
Awesome. I'm pretty sure there's no way I'm gonna eat this all. All right, let's find out how it is. It's hot, so it might take a second here. Hold on. Wow. So, if you get over to Aguada, I'm at Timber and Blues. You definitely need to come here. All right. Come with me as I make a trip to Aguadilla and see what we can find. I'm gonna be here, it's Friday, so we're gonna do Friday night in Aguadilla. Just entering Aguadilla now.
600 meters, Victoria, then turn left onto Carretera. Take this.
So that was Aguadilla, and I freaking loved it. So where else should I go? What other places should I film? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, if you're liking the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.